Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Yev and today I have a new keyboard from BOYI, and this is one more 60% gaming mechanical keyboard with Hall effect and magnetic switches. Let's check this out. So, first of all, what is important that this is a 60% layout. So you don't have arrow key, obviously you don't have F row. So this is kind of the most compact version of the gaming mechanical keyboard. Second, you have a fully aluminum case, and this case is really nice. I mean, it's very pleasant on touch. You have this logo on the back side. You have this hollow holes on the side, and you can see some RGB through them, right? This version also is coming with side printed legends, shine through. You will be able to see them in a dark environment, but for example right now it's like a lot of light in my studio and it's really hard to see, and it's like always the same with all side printed legends, keycaps, almost with everyone. Okay, so from the keycaps point of view, it's double shot. You see we have two layers, so it's one shot outer level and second shot inner one, and we have this shine through legends on the side. Under keycaps I can see Ultimo magnetic switch with a central position of the pin. Switch by itself not bad and even pleasant on sound, and also it's pretty transparent, so if you can switch a switch plate to something white and you can use another keycaps, it will be a really brightful keyboard. Underneath we have a standard metal switch plate and we have a standard PCB without any dampening layers between switch plate and switch, which means the sound will be like a standard mechanical sound for the gaming keyboards with the Hall effect magnetic switches. So from the performance point of view, as this is already a standard on the market, we have 8K pooling rate, and I did check it with a keyboard inspector. You can see on the right side, on the middle section of the graphs, this 8000 Hz, all good. From the driver point of view, again, standard QMK.top, and you need to download some driver to be able to work with this web driver. Sounds strange, right? But then you can have all the standard function with actuation point, with a rapid trigger, with a gaming function, with some stabilization, AI, and everything else. But obviously the most important, you can select a type of the switch and you can use many other switches. You can check, you can simulate the settings to understand where is the actuation point, and you can change a main gaming parameters. Now in a game, let's check with the default settings, and you can see the standard deviation between different holes on a wall. If I will reduce actuation point to 0.5 millimeters, let's check what will be the result. And you can see that we have a much shorter distance, but if I am going to add a rapid trigger with 0.2 millimeters or 0.005 millimeters actuation point of rapid trigger, I will be literally staying on the same place, which is the best accuracy what you can have from the settings. So guys, before I will show you how this keyboard is sound, I want to say that from the case point of view, it's just awesome. I like it a lot. It's really nice aluminum, fully aluminum case, and if you wanted to have something what you can mod, right, I really can recommend this keyboard. So you can change these keycaps for something much better, most probably in a dark or red colors, red theme, but it's up to you. And you can change the switches to TTC or gate-round magnetic switches, and you will have at the end a perfect gaming mechanical keyboard with Hall effect and magnetic switches. But for now, I will leave you with a sound test. I hope this video was useful for you, and you will not forget to smash a like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's go!